Soludo, show me the law.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and wherever you are watching us from. Today being 27th of January 2026, we the team of Magnetic Disc TV is bringing this news live and direct to you. There is a heavy tension in Onitsha because the governor of Anambra State closed down the major market we have in Onitsha that is called main market. You know, this main market is where several people from, will I say, all the whole of Africa. It is beyond West Africa. Other parts of Africa are also coming down to Nigeria, coming down to Biafra land, coming down to Anambra, Onitsha main market to purchase one or two goods, you know. And because of the understanding of the governor of the Anambra State, Mr. Charles Soludo, he decided to close down the main market because the people of main market is observing this Monday sit at home in solidarity to Nnamdi Kalu, who is the greatest man in Africa at the moment. Yes, so Nnamdi Kalu, the leader of IPOB, has been in incarceration for years, and they recently sent him to Sokoto prison, life imprisonment, thinking that that will change the mind of Biafrans to hate him. But the more they intimidate Nnamdi Kalu, the more people fall in love with Nnamdi Kalu. I'm telling you, look at what Soludo did, thinking that it is going to break down the morale and the spirit of these traders in Onitsha main market. But rather, these young guys, these youths you see here, these things that Soludo did is even energizing them, is even giving them morale. The only thing here is that let there not be any buying. Let there be not any buying. I hope this is not trying to or gonna take anybody's blood, you know. Sakwa na obara mmadu na ife na-eme. Si kpọhere ụmụ mmadụ, kpọhere fafe ka ha zuba afe ha. It's not their fault that they are sitting at home. It's because of the insecurity in the country, in the state. Several people who try to disobey this Monday sit at home in the previous, we are all by. They are all dead, yo. And right now you are enforcing these people without any adequate security. You are even enforcing them. You should allow them to do it on their own. they love Nnamdi Kalu. Out of love they have for Nnamdi Kalu, that's why they are doing this thing. But you are forcing them. This thing is very funny in Nigeria. It's very funny in Africa. I'm telling you, government cannot even provide you anything good. You will be the one that will suffer to provide for yourself. You will be the one that will hustle to feed. Yet government will still come and take tax from you. Government will still come and impose some certain things on you. Omo is where.
The security men, for the person that said that we are not covering it well, the security men are preventing us from coming closer to where they are. The reason why we are here is that this is the main entrance to the main market. We started from some entrances before coming to New Market Road. Everywhere is flooded. People are coming. There is a signal that the trailer should come closer. Let's see what will happen. Some members of the security personnel want to address the traders. Share this live video for massive coverage on what is happening in Anambra, Onitsha main market. They are not hearing what the man that is addressing them is saying. They are chanting in their mic.
So chill down and watch different videos of people that are in the market already, different videos that they are sharing of the accounts of what is going on right there in the market this morning, today being 27 January 2026.
The chairman Onitsha main market trader is here.
Somebody say power. Yes, sir. 4 plus
Soludo.
To Monday. Say no 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 to Monday. The problem is looming. I think the governor of Anambra State should cancel this order before he comes into another thing.
All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to every one of you, Biafrans, lovers of freedom all over the world. I want to tell you today that it is your right to go to your shops, and you must be in your shop today. Nobody can stop you from exercising your due diligence. Soludo did not rent shop for you. Soludo is not paying your shop rent. Soludo has no constitutional right to stop entire market from functioning. Nobody has that right. I'm telling you the simple truth. So today, wake up, take your bath, and go to your shop. And I want to warn again, if any Nigerian police stops you, assaults you, then they will understand how twisted we are. They will understand that we are not here just to make noise, that we are here for action. Nobody should be scared of anything. Go to your businesses and open your businesses and do your business due diligence. Soludo, every Monday, you must sit at home. You can't change it. You, the governor, must sit at home every Monday. Not to talk of any other citizens. Until Mazi Nnamdi Kalu, Simon Ekpa is being released. That is when Sister Tom will die a natural death. But for that, if they are not yet out, then you are joking. You are a joker. You are a joker. So on this note, I want to encourage Biafrans. Nobody can dash you your human rights. Nobody can give you your human rights. Human rights is your property. Nobody, fellow Sangit, dash them human rights. You can't dash me my human rights. Nobody can give you your human rights. Opening your shop is your right. It is your right to open your shop. If Soludo thinks that we are joking, if he thinks that we are joking, then let him come and lock that shop. And see how twisted we can be. You know, they did all these things when Mazi Simon Ekpa and Nnamdi Kalu was here. Our leaders were here. And they think these people, they can walk over them. They are walkovers. We are not. We are not. Soludo, if anything happens to any of our citizens, you will understand how crazy we can be. We have been very quiet. The way Anibo has been peaceful, quiet, and you know, people are easygoing. Soludo don't like it. The Northerners have called you to destabilize your nation, your city, your state. And you want to carry out that attack. And we are going to be watching. Anything that happens to any Biafran this time around, Soludo, you're not going to go scot-free. It is not what you did to Akwa Akoko. It is not this thing that you did to Eke Hit or Onye Jesus. This is a different matter. Our eyes is on you now, Soludo. People of Biafra, go to your shops. Nobody can stop you from exercising your due diligence, your right in Biafran land. Nobody. Nobody. No, even the government of, what is it called? Biafra cannot stop you from exercising your human rights. Nobody can stop you, including me. Go and exercise your due diligence. Go and exercise your rights. Go and feed your family in peace. Anybody, any military, any assault, send the pictures across. Soludo will understand how twisted we are. He thinks it's when our prime minister was here, or Mazi Nnamdi Kalu. It is a woman that is in charge. Dr. Ngozi Orebeze. We are in charge. We will show you how twisted we are. In the Allah. Today is Mazi Nnamdi Kalu's court hearing. You know I don't trust Nigeria. So we're expecting to see him today in court by the grace of God. And, you know, I believe in no time the United States of American president will step in for Mazi Nnamdi Kalu's release. For a reason, we're not going to tell you everything here. But believe that freedom is coming for Biafrans. The more they keep pushing us to the war, the more they continue to make mistakes. We are already home. Nobody can stop us. We are unstoppable. Believe you me. Every Monday, Soludo must sit in his father's house. His children cannot be here and it will continue to threaten our citizens. It will never happen. Not on our watch anymore. Soludo, our eyes is on you. Roll out your military today. Roll out your army. Then you will understand that we are focused on what we are doing. We are not just focused. We know what we are going to do. Thank you so much, my friends. Go and do your due diligence. Go and exercise your human rights. Go and exercise your rights as a citizen of the United States of Biafra. Thank you, and may God bless you from here.
So we are using this medium to call on the governor of Anambra State, Mr. Charles Soludo. Please revisit that your order. Allow people to go on their normal business. Don't bring anarchy in Onitsha. Onitsha has been a peaceful environment for a very long time. People in Onitsha has been enjoying that place. And now, this little thing is trying to turn into something that is going to bring disorder in the city, which is not supposed to be. It's not supposed to be at all. So we are calling on the governor of Anambra State to rethink. Open shops of people, let them start going to their shop. On just gradual basis, people will start coming out on Monday. But do not force them, so that there won't be disorder or anarchy in your state. Thank you everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Dix TV, for we remain the best. Please check on your loved ones. Check on your loved ones. Make sure that they are okay. Let there be a law abiding in whatever they are doing. Let it be under the law. People should not go and do anyhow. I beg you. Upon you don't do but first. Daruno.
This man, the one me. One day I go, a very
okay for the place, so even in it very tight. Then the mother and I says, didn't have motor and chanting in a phone chat. Okay, from the police and our police can't come.
Too much. You left London market.
Police after.
Oh, Chineke, oh, Nadia.
Na main market, la mi ko ka ga. Era fair. La heba. O era ga bi ni de block sa block. La sian di man na hota bi ana be be. Era fair. La ne heba.
Ifurare bana watu akatai pata ina shiazo ibnu moto no mo ifunde mara pata lafiya ifure bana banki onde era alao good boy sa banki cha pa tupuro gono oyin kana sana banki ko ba tupuro yono